Hello everyone, I am Kavya from Department of Computer Science Manasa Gangotri. Currently I am pursuing first year MCA. Today my presentation about Amazon company and also how artificial intelligence are used in Amazon company. Let's start the presentation. These are the contents of the presentation. They are introduction, founder of Amazon, history, company profile, vision and mission, evolution of logo, Amazon timeline, product and services, SWOT analysis, AI structure, AI services and platform. Introduction to Amazon. Amazon is a part of the e-commerce industry. The industry has grown about 10% or more each year for the past 15 years. In the recent years, online shopping has become so easy with so many devices such as mobile phones, tablets, laptops. Amazon is seen as being one of the world's largest online retailer. Amazon.com is an American multinational technology company which focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming and artificial intelligence. It is one of the big 5 companies in US informational technology industry along with Google, Apple, Microsoft and Facebook. The company has been referred to as one of the most influential economic and cultural forces in the world as well known as the world's most valuable brand. Founder of Amazon. Jeff Bezos founded Amazon from his garage in Bellevue, Washington on July 5, 1994. It started as an online marketplace for books but expanded to sell electronic software, video games, apparel, furniture, food, toys and jewelry. In this 2015, Amazon surpassed Walmart as the most valuable retailer in the United States by market capitalization. In 2017, Amazon acquired Whole Food Market for US $13.4 billion, which substantially increased its footprint as a physical retailer. In 2018, its two-day delivery service, Amazon Prime, surpassed 100 million subscribers in worldwide. History of Amazon. Jeff Bezos founded Amazon in July 1994. He chose sadly because of technical talent as Microsoft is located there. In May 1997, Amazon went public. It began selling music and videos in 1998, at which time it began operations internationally by acquiring online sellers of books in United Kingdom and Germany. The following years, Amazon began selling items including video games, consumer electronics, home improvement items, software, games and toys. In 2002, Amazon launched Amazon Web Services, that is AWS, which provided data on website popularity, internet traffic patterns and other statistics for marketers and developers. In 2006, Amazon grew its AWS portfolio when Elastic Compute Cloud, which rents computer processing power as well as simple storing service that rents data storage through the internet were made available. That the same year, that is 2006, Amazon started Fulfillment by Amazon, which managed the inventory of individuals and small companies selling their belongings through the company internet site. In 2012, Amazon bought Kiva Systems to automate its inventory management businesses, purchasing Whole Food Market supermarket chain 5 years later in 2017. On February 2, 2021, Amazon announced that Jeff Bezos would be stepping down as CEO and transition to executive chair of Amazon's board in Q3 of 2021. Andy Jassy, who is the current CEO of AWS, will succeed Bezos as CEO of the company. Next is company profile. Name is Amazon, founded in July 1994, Seattle, Washington, US. Active in July 1995. CEO Jeff Bezos, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer. Founded by Jeffrey Bezos. Headquarters in Seattle, Washington. Motive: become the largest online retailer in the world to offer Earth's biggest selection in the less than 2 decades. Presence across the world in India, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Chennai. Opened as virtual bookstore. Revenue is $386.604 billion as per the 2020. Next, move on to the vision and mission of the company. Our vision is to be Earth's most customer-centric company, to build a place where people can come to find and discover anything they might want to buy online. Mission: it's our goal to be Earth's most customer-centric company where customers can find and discover anything at Amazon.com. Next is evolution of Amazon logo. The first one is 1995 to 1997. Then second one is 1997 to 1998. This is 1998. Fourth one is also 1998. Fifth one is 1998 to 2000. Sixth one is, this is the current logo of the Amazon. Last one is Amazon Prime logo. Next, move on to the why is choosing name as Amazon, because Byju's selected the name by looking through the dictionary. He settled on Amazon because it was a place that was exotic and different, just as he had envisioned for his internet enterprise. The Amazon River, he noted, was the biggest river in the world, and he planned to make his store as the biggest big store in the world. Additionally, a name that begins with A was preferred because it would be probably at the top of an alphabet list. Next is meaning of logo. The smile that goes from A to Z tells that the company is willing to deliver any product anywhere in the world, and also represents the smile that customer would experience by shopping on the Amazon.com website. The arrow becomes the smile. The yellow color symbol represents the smile. Next, move on to the Amazon timeline. In 1994, Amazon Foundation. In 1998, expanding into music CDs and DVDs. In 1999, expanding to toys and one-click payment. In 2000, creation of Blue Origin. In 2002, start selling clothes. 2003, AWS launched. In 2004, Amazon enters China. In 2005, Amazon Prime. In 2015, first physical store opened. 2017, Whole Food acquisition. 2020, the world's largest marketplace. Next is product and services of the company. That is Amazon Fresh, Amazon Prime, Amazon Web Services, Alexa, App Store, Amazon Drive, Echo, Kindle, Fire Tablet, Fire TV, Video, Kindle Store, Music, Music Unlimited, Amazon Digital Game Store, Amazon Studios, and Amazon Wireless. Next is SWOT analysis. SWOT means strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats of the company. Let's move on to the online presence strength of the company. They are innovations, customer focus, shipping, low cost structure, product or services offering. Online presence weaknesses are wide array of competitors, lack of focus or over expansion, internal team structure. Next is online presence opportunities. One product line, drone delivery services, online payment system, emerging markets. Online presence threats. Local and international competition, government regulations, security and identity theft. Next is Amazon AI. This is the main topic of the presentation. First we know what is Amazon AI. Amazon AI is an Amazon machine learning and AI platform that is a part of AWS. It has 3 ready-to-use services, that is Rekognition, Poly and Lex, as well as AI platforms, AI framework and AI infrastructure that can be used collectively or separately to create a custom AI or machine learning product. AI is being used to all across the Amazon. On Amazon.com, users see recommendations suggested by Amazon's recommendation engine, which improves their shopping experience. AI is used to spot trends in the customer experience so that new products can be developed and existing product enhanced. In the fulfillment and logistic departments, robot picks, pile, sort and move boxes around so that they can be shipped to customers. Amazon employees used to have to walk miles each day. By using AI, they save time and free up stops to serve more customers faster. Next is AWS. AWS means Amazon Web Services. Now Amazon Web Services has made AI tools broadly available so that businesses can innovate and improve their products. Amazon Web Services offers a range of services in AI by leveraging Amazon's internal experience with AI and machine learning. Those services are separated here according to their 4 layers. They are, first one is AI services, second one is AI platform, third one is AI framework, and fourth one is AI infrastructure. This is the diagram of artificial intelligence on AWS, that is services, platform, engines, infrastructure. This is a detailed diagram of Amazon AI structure, that is AI services. AI services are Amazon Rekognition, Amazon Polly and Amazon Lex. Next is AI platform, that is machine learning, Amazon EMR, Spark and Spark machine learning. Next is AI frameworks and AI infrastructure. I am only explaining AI services and AI platform. First one is AI services. The first one of AI services is Amazon Rekognition, that is deep learning based image recognition service. Search, verify and organize millions of images. Amazon Rekognition make it easy to add image analysis for your applications. With Rekognition, you can detect specific objects, scenes and faces like celebrities and identify appropriate contents in images. You can also search and compare faces. Rekognition API enables you to quickly add sophisticated deep learning based visual search and image classifications to your applications. Next one is Amazon Polly. Amazon Polly is a service that turns text into lifelike speech, allowing you to create applications that talk and build entirely new categories of speech-enabled product. Amazon Polly text-to-speech services uses advanced deep learning technologies to synthesize speech that sounds like human voice. Next is Amazon Lex. Amazon Lex is a service for building a conversational interfaces into any applications using voice and text. It provides automatic speech recognition for converting speech to text and natural language understanding to recognize the intent of the text. That lets to you build applications with highly engaging your user experience and lifelike conversational interactions. Next, move on to the AI platforms. The platforms removes the undifferentiated overhead associated with deploying and managing infrastructure for training and hosting models. It can analyze your data, provide you with suggested transformations for the data, train your model, and even help you with evaluating your model for accuracy. The first one of Amazon platform is Amazon EMR. Amazon EMR is a flexible, customizable and managed big data processing platform. It is managed solutions in that it can be handle things like scaling and high availability for you. Amazon EMR does not acquire a deep understanding of how to set up and administrator big data platforms. You get a pre-configured cluster ready to receive your analytics workload. It is built for any data science workload, not just an AI. Next one is Spark. Apache Spark is an open source distributed processing system commonly used for big data workloads. Apache Spark utilizes in memory coaching and optimized execution for fast performance, and it supports general batch processing, streaming analytics, machine learning, graph database and Hadoop queries. It can be run and managed on Amazon EMR cluster. Those are the AI platforms and AI services. References is SlideShare, Wikipedia, techpublic.com, medium.com. A brand for a company is like a reputation for a person. You earn reputation by trying to hard things well. Work hard, have fun, make history. Thank you.